$180 4 hours using this method, and I'm about to show you how you can replicate the same result for yourself without spending any money. So just so you understand how powerful the opportunity learning this video is, I wanted to show you how much money Google actually makes. So the revenue in 2024 for Google was for $328 billion with a B.
All right, Google makes $328 billion, and here you are trying to make $180. Don't worry, it's a good start. They won't even notice. That's a 30 minutes long video, and for 1 long minute, he talked about how much money Google makes. That's not your money. That's not my money. That's not even his money. Google's money. I'm here to get rich quick, dude. I'm sure if you have a job or a business and you are trying to learn another side hustle, then this is the most hyped up topic ever. But don't worry, I'll make it easy and simple for you with a 3-line system. So I have a completely new training. Link is in the description where I will show you step by step how you can read 3 lines to make $500 passive affiliate commissions. That's it. 3 lines, and it will take maximum 60 to 90 minutes of work per day. Completely new video training. You have never watched it before, go watch from the link in the description. And I'm also giving away my own AI agent for free at the end of the training. All right, back to this video. The name of the technique is called GEMS. Yes, 4 simple steps. And you start making money in step number 3. Starts with Google's free AI tool, Google's Gemini.
All right, so we're gonna be using this right now. And before we continue with this step, I just wanna show you this channel here called Easy Actually and how successful they have been able to become using this strategy. So for example, if you check out their first video 8 months ago, got 1.3 million views. The second video, 1 million. The third, 6.2. This one here, 3 million views. All of their videos get at least 500,000 views, as you can see here on my screen. And you can bet that this is not on accident. You don't get millions of views by accident. Now, if you also check and take a look here at how many subscribers they have been able to get in 6 months, 723,000 subscribers with 8 videos in 8 months.
And most importantly, which is most lucrative for my followers and my subscribers, is that it's completely faceless and almost zero fancy animation and zero fancy editing. And the money part, they're making $215 to way up to $3,400 monthly from ad revenue. Not bad for 8 videos, faceless videos.
Which is just crazy for me. And they did all of this without ever having to make any videos, without ever having to show their face on camera, without ever having to appear on any videos. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do what they are doing, use the same strategy, get the same type of success without ever having to show your face.
Sounds good? Let's check it out. Since it's a 30 minutes long video, we don't have time to watch the full thing because the money part is very short. Go to Google's Gemini and use this prompt where he mentioned niche names. You should change to your chosen niche and also put the title of some of the viral videos in your niche. Then copy a transcript of one of the viral videos, put it in the document, go to ChatGPT, upload that document, and ask ChatGPT to write a similar transcript. And in this prompt, mention some of the keywords that you want ChatGPT to mention in the script, and you will get a full transcript ready in a minute. Okay, you might be asking, what was the use of Google Gemini? Even I don't know. The same thing could have been done using ChatGPT, but let's check what he's doing.
And then we're going to give it some information about what type of title we want for our videos. Making more friends is easy actually. Being productive is easy actually. So these are the types of ideas, viral video ideas that we want Gemini to generate for us. So we're gonna hit enter, and Gemini should come up with 10 viral video ideas that we can create. And to be able to perform this next step, we need to give a
So the reason he used Google Gemini is because Google has search data, presumably better than ChatGPT. It will give you better suggestions in terms of YouTube video title. One more reason for that is YouTube also belongs to Google. So all YouTube's data belongs to Google. You made video script and you're about to make videos with the script. You need to make money. So for that, go and search Audible affiliate on Google and find this website. Become an affiliate just by clicking on this link and putting your information inside. What's great about promoting Audible is that they pay you when someone clicks your affiliate link and start a free trial. And for every free trial, you will earn $5. That's almost unheard of. It is really good, but I'll tell you the truth. If your audience is not right, they're not book readers or listeners, you will have a hard time getting people sign up for a free trial as well. However, it's not bad. Honestly, it's amazing. Remember, you have a piece of content and you can use that content as an article as well. Google earn by writing for Medium, and you will learn that people can actually make money by publishing articles on medium.com. So join their partners program with a hope that people are making $100 a month by writing for Medium, and that's also only 9% of the writer. Hey, don't lose hope. It's not bad because this is not your main income source. This is just a bonus. Medium.com has 125.3 million monthly visitors, and majority of their traffic come from United States. But here is what's most important. 67% of their traffic come from organic search, and 26% traffic are direct traffic. So it really doesn't matter how much Medium pays you. What's important here is you're getting tons of traffic from Google, because Medium's articles are frequently show up on Google search. On top of that, they have their own traffic. So 90% of their 125 million visitors are free for you to tap into just by publishing articles on medium.com. What is stopping you? I know what's stopping you. You are completely occupied from 9 to 5, 8 to 9, and 5 to 6. Are busy commuting. Then from 6 in the evening to 8 in the evening, you're with your family. I know what's keeping you busy. This is 24 hours. From 9 to 5, you're at work. 8 to 9, you're commuting. And 5 to 6, you're commuting back home. 2 hours for family, and then you go back sleep, and you wake up 8 o'clock in the morning. Where is your time? Are you able to go back and forth with Google Gemini for ideas, and then ChatGPT to write articles, go back to Medium to publish those articles? I have doubt. That's not all. How about embedding Audible affiliate links in your article? Then check back every 5 minutes how much money you made, because you want to replace your day job with an internet-based side hustle. Okay, there is still hope. Remember this channel he was talking about? Let's have a look at this channel and let's watch their most viral video.
So you want to become smart. In most of the world, you're told that it takes 12 years of school, plus 4 years of college, plus 6 years of graduate school to become smart. But what you actually become is homeless.
So the video was easy to make. Stick figures, little images, funny memes, and a lot of comedy. Well, let me warn you with something. AI is awesome. You can try making comedies, but without a gift and without practice, you're not going to make people laugh. Well, there is one more issues with comedy. I'll tell you later. Let's carry on.
That's not even a joke. But on the bright side, when you make a Reddit post about how you can't get a job, you can do it in perfect English. If you haven't guessed by the title, becoming smart is actually very easy. Even if you think your genetics make you dumb, if you compare yourself to every other animal, you're actually pretty overpowered.
That is funny. Tell me something. By watching a funny video, do you feel like buying something from these guys? Because the problem with higher entertainment means comedy or funny type of videos is they lose their authority and tone to actually sell you something. Comedy cannot create trust, authority, and hence comedy doesn't sell. And if you try to make comedy videos, you're not going to make money from affiliate marketing. It's pretty much obvious. So with this kind of videos, you will be completely relying on YouTube's ad revenue. And there is no guarantee your channel will go viral. You will not even make $3,400 per month with all your work with stick figures, juggling from one AI to another AI. Then why is this guy talking about faceless channel and showing you how easy it is to create a channel and make money? Because he's about to launch his own faceless video channel mentorship program. And he just launched a waitlist for that. He's basically trying to sell his program, which is not bad at all. It works. But in my opinion, it is not the best side hustle or side business for people with limited time, because either you have a job or a business already. So what is the best side hustle in my opinion? Yes, using affiliate marketing, because AI will save your time. AI will work like your assistant, and affiliate marketing will eliminate the hassle of creating website, sourcing products, selling and shipping, because all these are the jobs of the product creator. So what is your job as an affiliate? Well, I'm not talking about other affiliate programs. I'm talking about our affiliate mentorship and done for you program, where we do 99% of the job. Literally every technical work is done by us for you. So what is your job? Your job is to drive traffic by reading 3 lines. That's it. 3 lines. It may sound crazy, but it is true, and we are doing it. And our students are doing it. Our students are earning $500, $300, $1,000, $1,250 in affiliate commissions using this 3-line system. Is it a get-rich-quick scheme? Absolutely not. It is not even quick. You still have to spend 60 to 90 minutes per day, but that's it. And I can show you in a complete free training how to do it. And you will get away with a proprietary AI agent for free after the training. The training link is in the description if you're watching this video from YouTube. And if you're watching this video from my website, then the link is below this video. Or there might be another button where you have to click and you'll be taken to the free training that you can watch and decide whether it is for you or not. Okay, am I ditching another person's system to promote mine? Not really. I have analyzed the whole video and the business model with AI. And look at this. According to AI, the rating of ease of starting this business is 4 out of 5, which is amazing. But ability to make $100 per day is 3 out of 5. Most importantly, which is the worst, maintenance. To continue to do this, make long-form content, publishing articles, juggling between AI softwares, it's 2 out of 5 because it's time-consuming to continuously create content and engage with automation. My training is free to watch. You can go ahead and watch right now. At the very least, you will learn how our students are making money. Who knows, if you are smart, you can start making money just by watching the video. Anyways, if you like this video, give us a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and switch on the notification bell button so YouTube will tell you when we upload the next one. And if you want to learn more about free traffic and making real ways of making money online, watch these videos and these videos. We'll see you on the next one.